everyone, welcome back to Cyberchimps. In this video, I'll streamline your WordPress website creation process by showing you how to install and configure responsive theme and responsive starter templates. So let's get started. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and head over to Appearance tab. Click on Themes and go to Add New Theme. Here, you can search for responsive in the theme search bar. Once you find the responsive theme, click Install. And once the installation is complete, click Activate to make it your active theme. Now, we also want to install a plugin that will give us pre-made designs to make our website creation a lot easier. So, we are going to click on Plugins here on the left side and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Responsive Starter Template and locate the plugin. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin once the installation is complete. With the plugin activated, a new option called Responsive will appear on your WordPress dashboard. Click on Responsive and then select Templates. This section showcases a variety of pre-designed website templates. Browse the categories or use the search bar to find a template. The template you choose here will determine your website's overall design and structure. Obviously, you can customize everything later on, but this will give you a good starting point. So I recommend choosing a template already designed for what kind of website you want to build. Here you get the collection of free and pro templates. The pro templates are labeled as pro, as you can see here. So first we are going to show you how to import a free template. Let's say you want to build a food website. Now here I'm going with this template for my website. As you can see, you can preview the whole template here. Once you find the perfect template, click Import Site. When you click on Import Site, a pop-up will appear asking you to create an account with Cyberchimps. If you already have an account, you can connect your existing account by clicking here. But if you are a new user, click here. Now fill in your details here and click Sign Up and Connect. Now click on Connect Your WordPress. And you're done. Now you can easily import any template. So now let's get back to importing a template. Now when you click on Import Site, this page will appear. Fill in your email address and click Subscribe and start importing. Now this will take some time and it will install necessary plugins like Elementor, WP Forms and many more. So you don't have to go and manually install all these plugins. Once the template is imported, you will get this congratulations pop-up box. Now click on View Website. So this is our website and it currently looks exactly the same as the template we just saw. We can also go to different pages on the website and see how they look. So the next step is going to be customizing your website. And I'm going to show you how you can completely customize your website and make it your own. So let's start by editing our home page. Now click on Edit with Elementor button at the very top. Now we can edit everything here on the website by just clicking on the elements. So let's say we want to edit this text. So just click on this text and then the menu right here opens up. And we can just change the text right here. So we can just say delicious food. As you can see, the text changes live on our website. Now let's say I want to change this text on this button. So I'll just click on this button and from this menu, I'll change the text to click here. You can also put link here. You can also change the button size here. You can also customize the button according to your website requirements. All you have to do is click on Style tab here. And here, as you can see, you can change the alignment of the button. You can change the typography of the button. And you can change the text color of the button. So let's make it to black. You can change the background color of the button from here as well. And you can change the border color, border radius. You can also add padding according to your requirements. So similarly, you can edit every element on this page. So now let's say I want to change this image right here. So I'll click on the image and I'll go to this choose image box and I'll click on it again. So here I get two options, upload files or media library. You can go to the media library and select any image in your media. So I'm going ahead with this image, let's say. Click on select and it's done. So once you're done making all the changes on your page, don't forget to click on update button. And once it's done, click on preview changes. Now as you can see, the text has changed, the button text has changed, and the background color also has changed, and this image also has changed. Now I'll show you how to import a premium responsive starter template. So let's say I want to import this bakery template. So I'll just click on this template. Now click on import site button. Now a pop-up will appear asking you to purchase responsive theme. So just click on unlock premium template access and this will take you to the pricing plan of the responsive theme. Here you can see three plans: personal plan, business bundle and agency bundle. Select whichever plan you want to go ahead with and click on buy now button. Now this will take you to the cart order page. Just fill in your details here and click checkout. And once you're done with the purchase, just go back to the template and click on import site. Now this will start importing the website just you did with your previous template. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily create any website. Responsive theme and responsive starter template offer a powerful combination for creating a stunning and functional WordPress websites. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.